Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today I'm drilling down into the core reason for establishing the unboxing channel, and that was to share some of the cool stuff that I got to touch day in, day out, and sort of reveal it to you, help you with it, show it off, because I love it. Well, I'll be celebrating 25 years in this industry, and so what I've sort of come up with is a nice little short list of things that really do excite me. Some of them are little, some of them aren't expensive, and one of them is an AudioQuest subwoofer cable. Now, cables, yes, they make a difference. They're subtle, but they improve things. Essentially, the wrong cable can be a filter to all of the stuff, all of the information, all that audio signal that you've paid for. Well, one of the reasons that I love the AudioQuest subwoofer cables is that they have been smart enough to introduce a simple little wee feature. Their cables, like most, are a directional cable, not electrically, but because they will commonly shield things differently at the source end to perhaps the next piece, so in this instance a subwoofer. But they've taken that to an extreme and they've added an earth. Now we're used to seeing all that in a turntable. Nice little ground, and it drops the hum and things like that. But with a subwoofer, particularly when the cable is often a very long length, that subwoofer is able to reproduce some of the low frequencies from the inherent noise that develops in a cable as it runs a long length. Plus, with a subwoofer having its own amplifier and even potentially being on a different earth spike, you can have all sorts of issues as far as hum build-up and a noise floor. Well, AudioQuest with this ground cable enable us to attach it to the ground or even just a screw on the back of the amplifier, and then again onto a screw or an earth on the subwoofer, and actively ground that, lowering its noise floor. Now I've seen all sorts of implications and applications, whether people have run their own or they've tapped their own or they've just upgraded to one of these. But it's a simple little wee add-on that makes even their entry level, they do a black lab, this is the Irish red, and they do a whole range up from this. This really simple, really affordable, well-built subwoofer cable ultimately makes your subwoofer and therefore your listening experience better. So I wanted to share it. I wanted to point out just some of these cool little things that I've found over the years that are really, really worth celebrating as I celebrate 25 years in this industry. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.